Hi, I'm David Kenney. I'm owner of the hardware store in Mardela Springs, Maryland. We've been in business here ourselves for 37 years. The store's been here for 72 years. We sell retail hardware, farm supplies, and Pioneer seed. We purchased our first system about 10 years ago. After looking at the financial part of the quote, we decided to go ahead and make the investment. And I call it an investment because that's what it is. It's long-term. Our return on our investment was about 5 years. And since then, it's been making power, and we have a very low energy cost for our store. And that keeps our overhead down, so we're able to put that into other products that we can retail. Working with Paradise was very clean. They quoted us the price, no changes from the price that was quoted. The workmanship was very good. The timeline was good. They did what they told us they were going to do, and they did it when they were going to do it. They did it very professionally. There was no trash left on site, and you didn't even hardly know they were here when it was being done. If somebody come to me, and we've had several people over the years come to us and ask us about our experience with solar and with Paradise, and I tell all of them to follow the bottom line, check the finances, see how it plays out in your situation. I had an accountant look at our first system, and I told him I thought it was too good to be true. When we looked at the projections, and he came back to me and says, well, it does look like it's too good to be true, but it looks like something you need to do. And that's how I felt. We needed to do it, and did it. And about 5 years ago, we installed our second system that produces power for some other properties that we have. And that has the 10/10 warranty. So having solar for the past 10 years, it's enabled us to do some other things. One thing that's important to me is establishing our business and keeping our business sound. And as my two sons have come in and worked with me now, it'll give them a step up on the future. I would not hesitate to install solar again based on my experience with Paradise. They've been very good about doing what they said they would do.